Dear students, today we are going to study how to solve word problems. The first one, a shopkeeper brought fertilizers worth rupees 8,000 from the city and brought it to his village. He spent rupees 520 on transportation. If he wants to make an overall profit of 20%, how much should he sell the whole material? Solution, the cost price equals to rupees 8,000 plus 520, which is equals to rupees 8520. To gain 20% overall, which is equals to 8520 into 20 upon 100 plus 8520. So after solving this, we get answer 1704 plus 8520, which is equals to rupees 10224. The second sum, a tape recorder was brought by Ravi for rupees 1675 and he repaired it by spending rupees 825. If Ravi expected to get a profit of 8% on his sale, what should be the selling price? Solution, purchase price of the tape recorder equals to 1675. Repair expenses incurred by Ravi equals to rupees 825. Net purchase price of tape recorder equals to rupees 1675 plus 825, which is equals to rupees 2500. Now profit required equals to 8%. So cost price plus profit equals to selling price. So cost price is 2500 plus 8% of 2500 equals to selling price. 2500 plus 2500 into 8 upon 100 equals to selling price. So selling price equals to 2500 plus, after solving this we get answer 200. So when we add we get rupees 2700. So selling price equals to rupees 2700. The next sum, a shopkeeper offers 10% discount on all his items during the festival season. He decided to give a further discount of 20% over and above the existing discount. Find the actual selling price of the following items. The first item he buys, that is a set of frying pans of marked rupees 1000. So D1% equals to 10%, D2 discount percent equals to 20%, as there are two discounts. So I have mentioned here D1 and D2. Mark price equals to rupees 1000. We need to find selling price. Solution, selling price equals to mark price into 100 minus D% upon 100. Now here there are two D's, D1 and D2. So we have to multiply this by another one. So mark price into 100 minus D1% upon 100 into 100 minus D2% upon 100. Now we have to just substitute the above values. Mark price equals 1000 into 10. 100 minus D1%, that is 10, upon 100 into D2, that is 20. So 100 minus 20 upon 100. So after solving this we get 1000 into 100 minus 10, that 90 upon 100 into 80 upon 100. So 10 into 9 into 8, which is equals to rupees 720. So selling price equals to rupees 720. Now in the same shop he buys a suit of marked price rupees 2500. So given D1 equals to 10%, D2 equals to 20%, mark price on a suit, that is rupees 2500. We need to find out the selling price. So solution, selling price equals to mark price into 100 minus D% upon 100. So mark price into 100 minus D1% upon 100 into 100 minus D2% upon 100. Now we have to just substitute. Now the mark price is 2500 into 100 minus 10 upon 100 into 100 minus 20 upon 100. So we get 2500 into 90 upon 100 into 80 upon 100. So after simplifying we get 250 into 9 into 8, which is equals to rupees 1800. So the selling price equals to rupees 1800. Now in the same shop he buys the third item, that is an electric iron of mark price rupees 1250. So D1, that is 10%, D2 which is equals to 20%, mark price equals to rupees 1250. We need to find out the selling price. So selling price equals to mark price into 100 minus D% upon 100. So mark price into 100 minus D1% upon 100 into 100 minus D2% upon 100. So now we need to substitute the values. Mark price equals to 1250 into 100 minus 10 upon 100 into 100 minus 20 upon 100. So after solving it, we get 1250 into 90 upon 100 into 80 upon 100. So after simplifying, we get 25 into 9 into 4, which is equals to rupees 900. So selling price equals to rupees 900. Now in the same shop, he buys the fourth item, that is a tablecloth of mark price rupees 375. So given D1 equals to 10%, D2 equals to 20%, mark price that is 375. To find selling price, solution, selling price equals to mark price into 100 minus D% upon 100, mark price into 100 minus D1% upon 100 into 100 minus D2% upon 100. Now we need to just substitute the values. So mark price is 375 into 100 minus D1, that is 10 upon 100, into 100 minus D2, that is 20 upon 100. So after simplifying, we get 375 into 90 upon 100 into 80 upon 100. After simplifying, we get 15 into 9 into 2, which is equals to rupees 270. So selling price equals to rupees 270. So students, I hope you all have understood the word problems and the method of solving. So there is a small assignment based on it. Please try to solve it. Thank you.